Sterilization protocol is a major part of every dental practice's daily routine. When considering sterilization system options, dentists look for a system that is easy to use, reliable, effective, and fast. Fast, effective sterilization means improved workflow and productivity, directly affecting the practice's bottom line. This module, sponsored by Schein, a market leader in sterilization equipment, will introduce you to the STATIM sterilization system, the fastest autoclave available from start to sterilize. STATIM is a reliable sterilization system that's compact enough to fit in patient treatment areas and fast enough to provide sterilization of instruments between patients. The STATIM 2000S and STATIM 5000S benchtop sterilizers take just 8.5 and 11.5 minutes respectively for a complete unwrapped sterilization cycle. Light, thin-walled cassettes provide rapid heating and cooling, further minimizing overall processing times. As an additional measure of convenience and speed, loose unwrapped instruments washed in Schein's Hydrum instrument washer in the STATIM 2000S or STATIM 5000S baskets can be transferred directly to the STATIM 2000S or 5000S autoclave. Don't let STATIM's quick sterilization time fool you. Sterilization is effective every time, purging all of the air from the fine lumen of dental handpieces. STATIM's biological and physical effectiveness has been proven in tests on a wide variety of dental handpieces, which validate compliance to the new European standard EN 13060 for small steam sterilizers. As an extra measure of reassurance, STATIM cassette autoclaves have a process evaluation system which is designed to monitor sterilization conditions and to abort the cycle if any failure to achieve these conditions occurs. Independent tests show that STATIM delivers dramatic improvements in process efficiency with shorter cycle duration as compared to larger volume autoclaves. STATIM prolongs the life of expensive and delicate instruments with gentle sterilization. Fresh steam-distilled water is used for each cycle. STATIM's patented steam pulsing system ensures temperature consistency, and it quickly expels the air that causes oxidation, preventing instrument rust and corrosion. Rapid heating and cooling dramatically cuts instrument exposure to heat, enhancing instrument longevity. Also, after sterilizing, a built-in compressor flushes the chamber with filtered dry air, further reducing humidity. Surgical instruments, scalers, handpiece turbines, fiber optics, and hinged instruments look and operate flawlessly for years. A state-of-the-art, user-friendly keypad displaying clear prompts makes STATIM easy to use and maintain. It is self-diagnosing, so if a problem occurs, it will be indicated on the electronic display. STATIM's operation is fully automatic. Simply select one of 3 programs and begin the cycle with a touch of the keypad. Its advanced microprocessor controls all functions, eliminating overheating and temperature spikes, maintaining optimal sterilization conditions from start to finish. When sterilization is complete, the dental staff can work directly from the STATIM cassette tray as a convenient chairside instrument organizer. The key to the STATIM's fast sterilization is in the unique design of the pressure chamber and controlled steam system. No water chamber needs to be heated, saving valuable time. When start is pressed, the steam generator heats to the optimum temperature and distilled water is pumped in and converted to steam. A wall of steam is then injected into the instrument cassette. Air is purged safely as the steam courses through the cassette and is expelled into a condenser bottle. After the air surrounding the instruments is expelled, air is removed from the lumens of hollow instruments by pulsing the steam through the instrument using a rapid succession of pressurization and venting. This rapid process is repeated 3 times for unwrapped and 6 times for wrapped instruments to ensure complete air removal. The instruments are then held in saturated steam under pressure for the prescribed temperature and time. for example 134 degrees Celsius for 3 minutes. At the end of each cycle, when the machine has vented, a small compressor switches on, drying and cooling the instruments rapidly. The STATIM cassette autoclaves use clean distilled water with every cycle, preventing the buildup of handpiece lubricant and other water contaminants. Here are some commonly asked questions.
What makes the STATIM so fast?
STATIM does not need to heat an entire round chamber with water. Instead, it injects steam into the instrument cassette.
Why is the STATIM better for instruments?
Unlike other sterilizers, there is a reduction of 99% of the air inside the cassette. By eliminating almost all the air, STATIM prevents oxidation and rusting.
What size STATIM is appropriate for my office?
The STATIM 2000S will fully support a 1 or 2 dentist practice. For a practice with more than 2 dentists and 2 hygienists, or where larger implant instruments are used, the STATIM 5000S is recommended.
Are the quick run cycles hard on the STATIM unit?
The STATIM is made to operate constantly throughout the day. A STATIM that operates 15 to 20 times per day is considered normal operation.
Let's review the key points of the STATIM system. Its compact tabletop design conveniently fits in patient treatment areas. Ultra-thin-wall cassettes allow for rapid heating and cooling for fast in-between patient sterilization. Sterilization is reliable and effective, removing all of the air from the fine lumen of dental handpieces. Gentle sterilization prolongs the life of expensive and delicate instruments, keeping them rust and corrosion-free. Simple, user-friendly keypad allows for easy operation. STATIM's fail-safe process evaluation system feature aborts the cycle if any failure of the machine to achieve sterilization conditions has occurred. Its self-diagnosing ability indicates problems on the electronic display. Recommend STATIM to your dentists. STATIM will help meet their workflow challenges as well as today's regulations for stringent infection control protocol. It is money well spent, as your dentist will quickly appreciate the quality of the STATIM system, and at the same time experience improved office productivity and profitability.